And as public concern over the spread of the coronavirus grows with each day, leaders in the Trump administration are assuring Americans the risk is still low despite the rapidly changing situation. One America's Emily Finn breaks down the latest updates.
The coronavirus claims the lives of at least 6 people in Washington state, bringing the negative impacts of the virus rocking the world to the home front. At the White House Monday, Vice President Mike Pence, HHS Secretary Alex Azar, and other top U.S. health officials gave a press briefing updating the American public. There are now more than 40 confirmed domestic cases of the coronavirus in the U.S. Health officials say the risk to Americans still remains low, adding President Trump is prepared for anything to combat the spread of the virus at home.
The risk to the American people of the coronavirus remains low, according to all of the experts that we're working with across the government. And as the President has said, we're ready for anything, but this is an all-hands-on-deck effort.
Also on Monday, Vice President Pence joined President Trump at a meeting with top officials from pharmaceutical companies working to develop a vaccine for the coronavirus. Although the timeline of when a vaccine would be available is not yet confirmed, it could take months to a year before it is ready for public treatment. However, some drug makers say they are researching therapeutic medicines for patients who already have the coronavirus.
I don't know what the time will be. I don't think they know what the time will be. I've heard very quick numbers, a matter of months, and I've heard pretty much a year would be an outside number. So I think that's not a bad range. But if you're talking about 3 to 4 months in a couple of cases and a year in other cases.
President Trump is promising to work in full support with local state leaders and health officials. He will also meet with U.S. airlines and cruise industry officials later this week to discuss ways to contain the outbreak. And Vice President Pence says the coronavirus task force will hold daily press conferences to ensure the American people are up to date with the latest information and can take necessary precautions to keep themselves safe. Emily Finn, One American News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One American News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One American News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.